Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to stop syncing a segment of Facebook custom audiences here in Omnisend. All right, you actually have two options. So first up, go ahead over to audiences, go to segments, and then here you just got to find Facebook, okay, or the specific segment that is connected to Facebook. Now go ahead and click on three dots in here. As you can see, yours will say here, stop syncing. Okay, just click on it, and once done, you're good to go. Now, another option is by going to your app section right here at the top. Now, just click on edit, or if you want to, you can go ahead and completely remove it. Okay. So let's say you just want to stop syncing a specific segment. Well, you can just go ahead and click on edit right here. And in this section, you'll be able to see a ton of segments. So you just basically click on three dots besides it and just hit on stop. Okay. Or even delete. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.